What if someone just accessed your sensitive files and you had no idea? Think about it. Client data, financial reports, source code. Your team works with these every single day. But here's the problem. Most companies have zero visibility into what's actually happening. You don't know who opened a file, who downloaded it, or where it was sent. And by the time you realize something's wrong, the data is already gone. That's where AnySecura comes in. With AnySecura, you can see everything in real time. Who accessed what and exactly when. If someone opens a file, it's logged. If sensitive data is downloaded, you get alerted. And if anything suspicious happens, you can stop it immediately. No more guessing, no more blind spots, just full visibility and complete control over your data. Start tracking every file access with AnySecura today. See exactly who's doing what before your data is gone.